Ephesians 6:1. Is it ever okay not to obey your mom and dad? Hi friends, I'm Miss Nancy Ruth.
And I'm Mr. Roger.
We want to see kids living for Jesus. This is part of Bible Drill Red Cycle. For more information, check out the description below. Ephesians 6:1. Children,
obey your parents in the Lord,
for this is right. Ephesians 6:1. Ephesians 6:1. Children,
obey your parents in the Lord,
for this is right. Ephesians 6:1. We all know what this verse means, even though we don't always like it. We don't always want to obey our mom and dad, do we? But God says it is good to do, not just because we're supposed to be obedient, but because it pleases the Lord. It makes Him happy. It's a way to worship God. Isn't that strange? By obeying our mom and dad, we're actually worshiping God. That's good motivation to obey those in charge, and show them respect. Ephesians 6:1. Children,
obey your parents in the Lord,
for this is right. Ephesians 6:1. Is it ever okay not to obey your mom and dad? The only time it's okay not to obey your mom and dad is if they ask you to do something that God's word says you should not do. Otherwise, we need to obey and respect them. Don't forget to subscribe. We post memory verses in 4 translations, key passages, answers to Bible questions, and more. Check out our store and freebies at parentroadmin.com. We love you, friends. See you next time.